Do you have a secret? Do you want to share it to certain people that close to you? Then you need encryption. Encryption was to keep certain people to get the message, and in blockchain can't operate without it. There is an encryption in blockchain that's called the SHA256. It was just able to code your message to encryption. Let's do an example here. I will go to this website and put in my name. That's my name, and that's the code. Now, let's change the first letter of my name into a capital letter. That's my name, and that's the code. There are minor changes between the message, and the code was changed accordingly. And the wonderful thing is that only people with the same language can understand SHA256. The hash function that's used in the blockchain would code from the information of transactions into a block that has the hash of the current block and the previous block. Now, you just understand the hash function, you know that blockchain can keep your secret safe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment.